So first of all, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great honor and pleasure to introduce and welcome the very proud parents of the bride. So please put your hands together for Mr. and Mrs. Malachi and Fono Falau. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please make welcome the equally proud mother of the groom, accompanied by her brother. Please put your hands together for Mrs. Carmelita Seuli, accompanied by her brother Isaiah Seuli. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please make welcome the maid of honor and the best man. Put your hands together for Vika Falau and Isaiah Seuli. And next, please make welcome our bridesmaids and groomsmen. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. First of all, for Lupe Atiola and Angelino Poitaha. Next, please make welcome Mele Hauga and Guilherme Falau. Welcome Bona Talmo Falau and Camisete Feoco. make welcome Angela Napa and Max Napa. Next, please make welcome Martina Perusco and Yafate Gago.
I'm shuffling, every day I'm shuffling, every day I'm shuffling, every day I'm shuffling, shuffling. Every day I'm shuffling, 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 every day I'm shuffling.
Next, please make welcome Eseta Vea and Sam Latu. And now please make welcome Lose Mafi and Jonas Leotor. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please make welcome our lovely flower girls and handsome page boys. Please put your hands together as I call them all together. Manelia and Paolo, Lila and Jeremiah, Ciale and Logan, and Kalia and Isaac. Please give them a warm round of applause. One round of applause for our last page boy, ladies and gentlemen. Give him a round of applause. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to invite you all, please, to be upstanding. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great honour and pleasure to introduce as husband and wife to you all here this evening. Would you please put your hands together for Ungate, Otea and Capelli.